Hello guys, this is Julia, and today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade to the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, which just came out today. Today's October 17th, which is the day it comes out, which I've been busy, so I'm now just going to be getting it. So, there are a few ways you could actually get this update. Now, the first way, which doesn't really work too often, which has never really worked for me, but my dog was barking and he's probably going to do it again, so just ignore it. Anyways, the most common way, which doesn't always work, is through Windows Update. So you go to your settings, or you go to your start menu, and go to settings this way. And then you're going to go to update and security. And then once you're here, it says it's up to date, because it checked earlier, didn't find it. So if it already checked at that time, it's probably not going to find it, but we'll check it anyways. While it's checking, I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to show you another way you can get it. So you're going to open Chrome, which I'm actually just going to put the link in the description for this, but you're going to go to Google, and then you're going to Google Windows 10 download, and then you're going to go to the first link, which is a Microsoft link, and it says Windows 10 Fall Creators Update now available, and you could download the Update Assistant, which will help you update to the latest update through this, and then you could use that, or you could use the media creation tool, which also allows you to create installation media for other computers as well. So if you wanted to create a Windows USB, or you wanted to download the ISO file to use on another computer, and I'll show you, because we're going to go to here, and you can see I left all the media creation tools in here because I was downloading them today until I got them. So I downloaded one. You can see the sizes are different. These are the sizes for the Creators Update, and then these are for the Fall Creators Update. You can see I downloaded it at 9:44 a.m., still didn't get it, and then at 9:53 a.m. I downloaded it, and it finally gave us the proper tool, because if I go to the properties and go to details, it says 10.0.16299.15, and then if I go to details on this one, it also says 10.0.16299.15, so that is it, as this is the older one for CU, which is 10.0.15063.0. And those don't work anymore, by the way. Before, if you guys saw my video of the leaked Fall Creators Update media creation tool, it wouldn't run because it would say you need a newer version of the file. Well, it turns out now the Creators Update one does that. So yeah, that media creation tool's dead. So if you try to run it, it'll say, oh, you need a newer version of the media creation tool, and then this one will run. And so let's check our Windows Update, which it still says up to date, because no matter what, my Windows Update is just not going to give it to me. It's always happened. It's never given it to me right away. It never seems to work for me, but it works on some computers. I've seen it work on other computers, but it's not worked on my computer. So I'll show you the media creation tool way real quick, and then I'll show you the other way. So you're going to click yes on the message that the media creation tool pops up, and it'll say getting a few things ready, which is, this is just normal. And then pretty much when you get to the next part, which is to agree, so you're going to click accept, and then it's getting a few things ready again, and then let's just wait for it. Okay, so we got upgrade this PC now, which pretty much downloads Windows 10, creates the install media, like, because it always does that still, it just makes it in a folder, and then it'll let you upgrade your computer at that moment to the update. So yes, it is more steps through the media creation tool, but I find that it actually does work better than the Update Assistant. But the Update Assistant is less steps, and it's more automated process. Pretty much you run it and it upgrades. And then you can also create installation media, which means if I told you could download an ISO file, you could use USB, and you could see that we could just upgrade through here. Or you could do this, which is, I'm gonna close the media creation tool. I'm gonna try the Update Assistant, and you can click update now, and it'll download the Update Assistant. So let's just wait, and then we're going to click on it, Windows 10 Updater, yes, I want to allow that, and it'll run itself and say update to the latest version of Windows 10. One of the best features of Windows 10 is it keeps getting better with every update. This PC is currently not running The latest and most secure version of Windows 10. This PC is running version 15063. The latest version is 16299, which I'm gonna take a screenshot of here, because why not, right? So anyways, we're going to click update now, and it says, okay, it's compatible, and then we're gonna click next, and it's gonna start. I'm sorry about that, someone came in here, but it's getting the update ready, and we're downloading the update here. And it says this will take a while, you can keep working, you can choose when to start your update, your files will be right where you left them, and it's easy to go back if you don't like it, which obviously it's good to always stay up to date. I wouldn't go back, always stay on the latest updates, it's more secure, and I showed you how to do Windows Update, so you can also use Windows Update to get the cumulative updates after you have the Fall Creators Update. Now, pretty much with the MCT, though, if you do the upgrade option, you just go through the steps. It starts downloading, it creates media, then it closes and reopens, and it'll have you accept an agreement, and then you pretty much just go through it, and when it's ready to install, you click install, and then it starts installing it, and it also works. So if the update assistant fails, you can use the media creation tool, and it works great, which I'll show you that. I'll go get my virtual machine up real quick, so... Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the media creation tool method on my virtual machine, which is actually running the very first version of Windows 10, because if we check WinVer, build 10240, but I used this VM for a video, so that's the reason why it's out of date, so we're going to update it. So we're going to run the media creation tool. I just dragged and dropped it from my host computer. So it says it's getting a few things ready. Now, if you want to make sure you have the right tool, you got to go to properties of it, go to details, and you can see it's 10.0.16299.15, and it's 17.7 megabytes. So if this details don't match, it's not right. So we're going to click accept. But as well as it also, if we look real quick, does have a digital signature. Wrong one. From Friday, September 29th, 2017. Alright, so we're going to upgrade this PC now, and it will start downloading Windows 10. As you can see, we're at 0% right now, but it will work. So we just gotta wait for it. So I could show you both methods. So we have the upgrade assistant method, and we have the media creation tool method. Both methods will get you to the Fall Creators Update, so no matter what path you take, they'll both work. You just got to make sure you have the right tool for the media creation tool. But as I said, the Creators Update media creation tool no longer works. Only the Fall one does, because I tried to run the other one earlier just to see, and it said you need a newer version. So we have both of these going. So, how about we do a time lapse of this? Alright guys, sorry about that. I was in the middle of something, but you can see mine is still going at 78%, but this one has the agreement, and it says last updated July 2017, so that's good, so we'll accept it. And then it'll say checking for updates, so just let it do its thing, and it will, after this, it'll soon say ready to install, and then when it's ready, we install it, and we'll install it before the other one, just to show you this one. So I'll be back, and we'll do time lapse again, I guess, until it's ready to install. guys, so we're back, and this is ready to install, and it says you'll be able to use your PC all Windows install, save and close your files before you begin to recap. You chose it to install Windows 10 Home, keep personal files and apps. So we're gonna click install, and believe it or not, you actually still can use it if you do that. Oh yeah, we don't need to have the other VirtualBox running there. So you could see that we got this going, and it's installing, so let's do a time lapse. I'm not gonna have this reboot when it's ready to reboot because we're doing the virtual machine and I wanna show you that, but I'll probably just have to postpone it when it gets closer to the countdown being over, because I know it counts down like 30 minutes or something. It should be done before then, but anyways, let's do this. Okay, so we're back, and mine has 18 minutes till it wants to reboot, and this one's done, and it says welcome to Windows 10, and we'll do our settings, and we'll accept, and we'll tell it no, not now, and it's going to go through the normal setup and hide thing that it usually does. So let's just wait for this so we can do a time lapse, I guess. So we're back, and it says welcome to the Fall Creators Update. So there we go, guys. Welcome to the Fall Creators Update, and we're on the Fall Creators Update now. So I know the screen looks weird because I think the VirtualBox Guest Editions got messed up, but we got 16299.15. Now go away, Cortana. I don't use Cortana, but we are on the Fall Creators Update now on this virtual machine. And yeah, so now that we got this virtual machine updated, we are going to reboot this, but I'm gonna save everything. I'm just gonna stop the video and reboot, so we'll be back. Alright guys, I'm on my phone. We're gonna click restart. Windows 10 Update Assistant will restart your device to complete the update. And I don't have a lot of recording time because of low storage on my phone, which I'm going to reset it soon, probably tonight or tomorrow. But it's going to reboot basically any minute now and start installing, so I'll come back when it's actually rebooted and installing. Alright guys, so here we go. It says working on updates 1%. Don't turn off your PC. This will take a while. Your PC will restart several times, so it will restart a lot during the update. It's not showing on my monitor yet because the drivers, I guess, haven't loaded yet. This will take about probably 20 minutes for my computer, but some computers take 30 minutes to an hour. It's just I have an SSD in here and some good specs, so it doesn't take too long to do major updates on my computer. So anyways, we'll come back when the update's done. So after about 20 to 30 minutes, it's finally updated. It just says this might take several minutes, and it's going through this setup, so I'll come back when we're on the desktop. Alright guys, and we're back, and it says welcome to the Fall Creators Update, and we got this page here. So very cool, and it says thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. So we can exit that, and I can confirm we have it, which we have 16299.19 actually now. So I guess they released another update, but the Media Creation tool I guess didn't pick it up because I guess the update assistant picks up those updates. So when you're done installing the FCU, make sure you go to your settings. No, that's not it. Go to settings, update and security, and then you can check for updates here and make sure that you're on the latest updates. So anyways, that's how you update to the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Hopefully you guys get it. It's really cool. I'm going to be using it more, and within a couple days I might make a video showing you the new stuff in the update and then what I think of it. So I will use this and I'll let you guys know. So anyways, that's all I got for the video today. Thanks for watching, and keep in mind also, before I updated, I made sure that I uninstalled Classic Shell, so I have the regular start menu as you can see, because it can, oh, it's getting some updates, so yeah, it's always good to check for updates. So it can interfere, so if you have Classic Shell installed, I would uninstall it before updating and then reinstall it after the update, because you don't want it interfering. Alright guys, well, that's all I got for today. Now I'm going to be fully up to date, and now we're getting another update. That's awesome. So, yeah, finally got the Fall Creators Update. Isn't that awesome now? Which I did have the insider builds of it though. Alright guys, all I have for this video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed watching. Hopefully this helped you guys update, and bye-bye for now.